in the Hill Country, Edwards Plateau, and Rio Grande. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Blanco County, Eastern Gillespie County, Eastern Llano County, Burnett County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tow to near Oxford to Fredericksburg, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gainesville, Buchanan Lake Village, Tow and Bluffton around 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Kingsland, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Highland Haven, and LBJ State Park around 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Marble Falls, Meadow Lakes, Lake Victor, Rocky Creek, High and Longhorn Cavern State Park around 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Burnett, Sunderland, and Sandy around 6:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Johnson City, Smithwick, and Shady Grove around 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Watson, Oatmill, and Joppa around 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Briggs, Pedernales Falls State Park, Cypress Mill, and Muhammad around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Sunrise Beach Village, Cottonwood Shores, and LBJ National Historical Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK27 in Austin.